Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will discuss with you bold, italic, underline and strike through. So here is the text which is bold and this text is an italic option. Here we applied underline and here applied strike through. Let's see how we do this. So at first I just clear the formatting of the text. Okay, just select the text and click into this bold option or use shortcut Ctrl+B. Then we see that the text is bold. After that, select second line and click on italic option or apply shortcut Ctrl+I. Then we see that the text is slightly moved into the right side. After that, select another line and click on underline option or apply shortcut Ctrl+U. Then we see that a line below the text applied. Then another command available here, that is called strike through. Strike through means cross something out by drawing a line through it. So just select the text and then click into this strike through option. That's it. Thank you.